That is lecture number 3 in SolidWorks Drawings tutorials. In that lecture, I will teach you how to draw auxiliary view in SolidWorks. An auxiliary view is a view that can be used to view any oblique surface in true size and true shape. For example, we have that 3D model, and that surface of the 3D model is oblique surface that cannot be shown in any standard orthographic views. In true sizes, for making it show in true sizes and shape, we can only use auxiliary view. For example, I take one orthographic view for that model, and I take another projected view from that view. Now you can see in that view the shape of the circle is not in true parameters. For draw it with true parameters, we just choose auxiliary view and click on that edge and place it on the right location of drawing sheet. Now you can see a proper true shape and size of the circle and oblique surface is visible to us with the help of auxiliary view. Now we can apply the dimensions right here. So that is our auxiliary view tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.